Welcome back, C3 family. Happy Mother's Day. Thanks for joining us on this quick update on VRT airdrop for Venus Protocol holders. If you're new and would like to join the C3 family, it's as easy as clicking that subscribe button and ringing that notification bell. As always, this is not financial advice, and we appreciate all the love in the last Ethereum Classic video. You guys are really helping us build our channel out. We appreciate the hell out of you. So today we're going to be showing you the white paper for VRT, which stands for Venus Reward Token. So real quick, let's just jump right in. If you go over here to Twitter, if you go to Venus Protocol and start following them, you can also find them on our Twitter page. But real quick, this just released a couple hours ago, and it is the VRT supplemental white paper is now available. So you can download this directly from them. But real quick, I just wanted to show you guys how much news they have coming out. This is a really solid project. So 2 hours ago, we saw this white paper released, and then just yesterday, they announced they have 14 billion in total value locked. That is pretty impressive, and it's because Binance Chain is just such a solid chain to swap and move things around. It's it's not as costly as the Ethereum network, nor does it take as long. So they also are talking about their governance program they have down here, and they're working with Chainlink and Band Protocol. And I just want to show you guys this right here is the top 5 contributors, total value locked in Binance Smart Chain, 57 billion. Super impressive. So let's jump right into this white paper real quick. So, released today, VRT tokens, Venus reward tokens will be a fair launch token with an initial airdrop followed by a mining distribution exclusively on Binance Smart Chain. So this kind of goes through, it's pretty short white paper, it doesn't take very long to read. Real quick over the distribution. So VRT tokens will be distributed to users at a ratio of 1,000 VRT per 1 XVS. So if you guys have 1 XVS, you'll receive 1,000 VRT. This also includes XVS held on Venus Protocol, which makes VXVS holders eligible as well. So the total max supply is 30 billion units. The only initial distribution will be an airdrop to those already holding XVS, and then they go into how who else gets it afterwards. So this was one thing I thought was really cool, the gamification. VRT will be the exclusive digital asset to purchase Venus collection NFTs. If users want to buy one of these Venus-based NFTs, they will only be able to purchase them with VRT. So that's going to increase the value. It's going to make people hold on to it. And, hopefully it'll just be a really standard payment for Venus. So the Venus lottery will become a decentralized lottery where tickets can be only purchased with VRT as well. So these lottery tickets are what you use to gain access to their NFTs. So down here shows their roadmap. They've already accomplished about 50% of their roadmap so far, so that's really exciting. And right here's just the conclusion. So this is a really great protocol. I'm really excited about it. I ended up just receiving it as an airdrop initially, so to get a double airdrop off this project just is making me more excited about it. And this is about all I have for you guys today. I really appreciate you stopping by on this Mother's Day, and if you're C3 family, we appreciate you, and if you'd like to join, it's as easy as clicking that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next one.